Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with new chapter, accounting from incomplete records. In today's session, we are going to see this topic which is called as single entry also. So this is not only accounting from incomplete records, it is called as single entry system. And from single entry system, we have to convert our books of accounts into double entry system. So you already watched my previous batch sessions. Suppose you have yet not watched, don't worry, beta. Today we are going to understand these problems and you will find the study material problems very easy after solving all these illustrations, those who have not yet covered. But my suggestion to all of you, if possible, till tomorrow, finish your incomplete record session from previous बेटा recorded sessions. तो बेटा जल्दी से आप आपका पूरा का पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन जितना भी होगा लेक्चर्स वो कंप्लीट करवा दीजिए. Accounts from incomplete records, single entry system. So before starting any single entry system, beta, basics must be very clear for this chapter, and basics means our basic rules of accounts. Now here you will require all basic rules of accounts. Those who have already covered foundation, you remember that chapter which is called as non-profit organization. So this chapter is similar to solving of NPO chapter. Okay, in that also we have seen income and expenditure account. Here we have to calculate P&L account. Cash book, here receipt and payment account, and closing and opening balance sheet. So this topic is basically divided in two parts. But before that, your fundamental rules of accounts: personal account, debit the debtor, credit the creditor, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debtor becomes giver and creditor becomes receiver. Real account debit what comes in, credit what goes out, and nominal account debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Friends, modern approach talks about asset is equal to liability plus capital, asset income minus expenditure is equal to profit, and expenses minus income is equal to loss. Asset debit, liability credit, and capital also credit. Income credit, expenses debit, and profit credit. Beta, first thing you have to understand. Topic is divided in two parts. Number one, statement of affairs. Statement of affairs. To know capital balance. Write down. To know capital balance. And second one, P&L and balance sheet that we have to prepare from the given information. So topic is very simple, divided in two parts. Everyone say good morning, beta. Nanesh ji, good morning. Nikita, good morning, beta. Alok, Sanskaran ji, Sapna, Harshit, Abhishek, Anand ji, Abdul, Jyoti, beta. Good morning to all of you. चलो स्टार्ट जल्दी से बोलिए बेटा. हाँ, गुड मॉर्निंग बोल दीजिए, जल्दी आ जाइए. चलो स्टार्ट. I know yesterday only we have finished that cash flow statement topic, and now it's very difficult कि सुबह सुबह उठ के तुरंत आपको शिफ्ट होना है in new chapter, that is incomplete records. Past examination questions I will upload it in very short time. एक 5 मिनट में मैं अपलोड करता हूँ. See whether past questions are uploaded or not. Tell me it in comment section. चलो जल्दी से बताओ. Yes बेटा, फरा, अरुण, पार्थ सारथी जी, ज्योतिजा जी, गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा. Yes. So topic is divided in two parts, statement of affairs, and second one is P&L and balance sheet. Prepare it in the P&L balance sheet pro forma. So बहुत simple सा chapter है, very simple, but lot of fundamentals are required for this chapter. So those students who are weak in fundamentals, they cannot solve these questions. और जिनका fundamental strong है, वो easily solve कर सकते हैं. Yes, गोमती, रामनिवास जी and खुशी, good morning बेटा. चलिए, so start करते हैं. November 2013 question. November 2013 का question, very simple one. The details of assets and liabilities, एक 2 minutes, not yet uploaded ऐसा बोल रहे, incomplete records का. एक 2 ही मिनट मैं अपलोड कर देता हूं. एक 5 से 10 मिनट दीजिए, तब तक यहां पे फोकस कीजिए. गिव मी ओनली 5 to 10 minutes. I will upload it within 10 minutes, beta. Please wait for some time. The details of assets and liabilities of Mr. A as on 31st March 2012 and 13 are as follows. Furniture. So write down in your notebook, beta, all these answers. Okay. So this question is of 8 marks in 2013. Very simple question. We don't expect for 8 marks. Furniture 50,000, building 1 lakh, stock, debtors, cash in hand, cash at bank, loans and sundry creditors. Mr. A decided to provide building 2.5% depreciation. So building के आगे मैं 2.5% लिख दूंगा. I will write 2.5% in front of building and furniture 10%. So furniture is 10%. For the period year ended 31st March 2013, okay, Mr. A purchased jewelry for his daughter. So beta, this is drawings. He sold his car. 40,000 is written in the business. So it's like capital. It's additional capital. Additional capital and drawings are given in the question. So you have to prepare capital account for this. What you are going to prepare? Capital account. And after calculation of capital account, you will get the profit. So statement of affairs. Chalo. So how to solve this? Write down. Write down. Statement of affairs. Statement of affairs. Liabilities. 31st March 2012 and 31st March 2013. Assets. 31st March 2012 and 31st March 2013. Furniture. Or furniture 50,000 less 10% is 45,000. 45,000 furniture. Then you have building 1 lakh, and here it is 97,500. Stock 1 lakh and 2 lakh 50,000. Stock 1 lakh 2 lakh 50,000. स्टॉक के बाद डेटर्स 60,000 and 1,10,000. Cash 11,200, 13,200. Cash at bank 60,75. Bank 60,000, 75,000. Loans and creditors. Loans and creditors 90-70, 50-80. And capital account balancing figure 50 plus 100 plus 100 plus 60 plus 11.2 plus 60. So asset side 3,81,200 minus 90 minus 50. 241,200. 45. 5,90,700. 4,40,700. Capital account particulars rupees. Particulars rupees. Capital account. Buy balance brought down 2,41,200. 6 lines का account. 2 balance carried down 4,40,700. Then you have drawings. 2 drawings 2,40,000 and buy cash 40,000. Buy cash 40,000. 2 drawings. How much beta? sorry, 24,000, drawings 24,000 and by cash. So balancing figure is by profit. $464,700. 183,500. 183,500. फ्रेंड्स, इज इट इजी बेटा? 8 मार्क के लिए यस, टेल मी, इजी और डिफिकल्ट? बहुत सिंपल था, वेरी सिंपल. फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट कैपिटल अकाउंट. Yes. Questions are available now. Questions are available now. Yes, beta. So you got the technique of statement of affairs and capital account. Very simple question. First 5 questions of study material, basically depending on statement of affairs and capital account. First 5 questions. For this chapter, you need maximum practice. यस बेटा, फाउंडेशन के बच्चे भी इससे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड काम करेंगे. चलो कोई बात नहीं. नाउ वी विल शिफ्ट टू सेकंड क्वेश्चन बेटा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 बेटा, प्लीज यू कैन नाउ डाउनलोड, अदरवाइज यू विल हैव हार्ड कॉपी ऑन वेडनेसडे. सो बेटा वेडनेसडे को हार्ड कॉपी रखना, आज इधर से ही मार्क करना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 16 marks question. Now please focus. Now this is the first hint I am giving you for solving this type of questions. A sole trader requests you to prepare profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2013 and balance sheet. He provides you the following information: bank OD, outstanding expenses. So outstanding expenses, we have to open account for salary and rent. This is mandatory. Bills payable, star mark, trade creditor, star mark. Mandatory account because information is given in the question. This is last year balance sheet. Furniture, computer, mobile phone, stock, debtors, bills receivable. So trade debtors and bills receivable, mandatory accounts. Unexpired insurance means prepaid insurance. What is unexpired? Prepaid. Stock of stationery and cash in hand. So beta, pro forma is very important. He informs you other assets and liabilities and cash transactions. So beta, it has 2 effects. Remember, it has 2 effects. Cash transaction also 2 effects. Depreciation 5% on furniture, 5%, computer 10% and mobile phone 25%. And debtors provision for bad debts is given 5%. Very simple question. बेटा ऐसे क्वेश्चन 2013 में आते थे, इतने सिंपल क्वेश्चन. नाउ इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. Chalo. So now we are going to start with this question. Very simple one. Write down. This is which exam, beta? Question 2. May 2013. May 2013 का क्वेश्चन. राइट डाउन. क्या नाम है फॉर्म का? सोल ट्रेडर. ओके. बुक्स ऑफ ट्रेडिंग एंड P&L अकाउंट for the year ended 31st March 2013. 31st March 2013. Write down. Particulars rupees. Particulars rupees. After 7 lines, beta, double underline. Trading account. And after 12 lines, 12 to 13 lines, this is P&L account. 13 and 7, 20 lines. Next one is balance sheet as on 31st March 2013 is given. We have to calculate liabilities rupees, asset rupees. Half page. Working note 1. लाइन बाय लाइन जाएंगे. सैलरी, particulars rupees. Working note 2. Rent account. Working note 3. Bills payable account. Five lines. Five lines क्या lines निकालो? 5 lines. Working note 4. Creditors account. Next page, working note 5. Suppose next page लगा तो working note 5. Debtors account. 6 lines. Working note 6. Bills receivable account. Working note 7. Insurance account. So line by line accounts we opened. You can check here. All line by line accounts we opened. जिसको स्टार मार्क थे। एंड लास्ट वन बेटा, लास्ट वन, हाफ पेज कैश एंड बैंक बैलेंस। कैश एंड बैंक बैलेंस ड्रॉ फास्ट, चलो ड्रॉ कीजिए जल्दी से। रेडी फॉर्मेट, एवरीवन इज रेडी बेटा? फॉर्मेट रेडी है बेटा? चलो ऑल ऑफ यू, I am going to teach you the technique of solving these questions. But beta, for this question solving, you need a lot of practice. मैं पहले ही बोल देता हूं कि ये आपको खुद से प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी. I will show you the way. But problem is that students are not doing proper practice. Use टिक-टिकी-जी technique. On Wednesday we are going to use टिक-टिकी-जी technique. तो वैसा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. पर आज आपको बेसिकली ध्यान में रखना है कि हमें ये बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल में करना है. चलिए, so let's start. बैंक ओडी, yes, bank OD means bank balance. So here we have not bifurcated cash and bank transactions. So bank OD will take it in cash account. अभी यहाँ पे देखो कैश इन हैंड, मतलब अभी एक तो बैंक ओडी जो है आई विल कंसिडर इट इन डायरेक्टली, किस में कंसिडर करूंगा? कैश एंड बैंक अकाउंट. Okay. So bank OD we do not have on the last day. So there is a bank balance. So in cash in hand account, In cash in hand and bank balance, I will write buy balance brought down, write down buy balance brought down 4270. 4270. Write down buy balance brought down 4270. Second one. Second is salary account 8,000. So salary account में write down it's a pro forma by payable to payable जैसा by payable 8,000. Next is rent 6,000. So on the first line by payable 6,000. Next is bills payable. So buy balance brought down 20 to 500. 20 to 500. Trade creditors. Next is trade creditors. Buy balance brought down 50 to 500. 50 to 500. Very easy. Next, capital pro forma beta capital account closing balance sheet opening balance 197,430 inner column 197,430. Same side beta furniture, sorry, asset side. Now furniture 96,000. Skip one line for depreciation. Less depreciation, just pro forma. Then you have computer 24,300. Less depreciation. Mobile phone 8,000. Less depreciation. Stock to opening stock 89,500. Debtors account to balance brought down 55,000. Bills receivable opening balance debit plus. So beta debtors debit plus asset है credit minus. Bills receivable is also debit plus credit minus. To balance brought down 15,000. Next is prepaid insurance. So prepaid insurance beta where to write debit side to prepaid 2,400. 2,400. stock of stationery beta. So stock of stationery, so beta we have to open one more account after cash and bank balance, working note 9, stationery account. Stationery account and to opening stock 200. Write down last account is stationery account. Sorry, भूल गया मैं ये. And then cash in hand. To balance brought down 300. So we finished with the basic posting part. Yes, posting part over. Posting part over क्या? Yes, till now everything is clear. चलो. ओवरड्राफ्ट बैलेंस इन बैंक इज बेटा लाइबिलिटी. ठीक है. चलो मोहम्मद असलम जी को कुछ क्वेश्चन है. हाँ. सो नाउ one effect is over for balance sheet. Now two effects. Closing stock. Now stock. By closing stock. Now two effects. By closing stock 95,400. And second effect, closing balance sheet, asset side stock 95,400. Debtors. But first we will finish this working notes. Buy balance carried down. One effect in working notes. Buy balance carried down 65,000. Second effect we will give it in closing balance sheet. Okay. So debtors हो गया. Bills receivable 20,000. So buy balance carried down. $20,000. Unexpired insurance. Buy prepaid. $2,500. Stock of stationery. By closing stock 250. Cash at bank 18,000. So last line. Buy balance carried down, cash and bank. So you have cash 7230 and bank 18,000. Salary, to payable 8,300. To payable 6,000. Bills payable to balance carried down 8,300, 6,000. Bills payable beta. Bills payable 26,500. And creditors to balance carried down 76,000. Now second effect beta, balance sheet, asset and liability side. Asset and liability side, second effect. स्टॉक का तो दे दिया. डेटर्स 65,000. Closing balance sheet, asset side. Bills receivable 20,000. BR 20,000. Unexpired insurance 2,500. Prepaid insurance 2,500. Stock stationery 250. Cash at bank 18,000. Cash 7,230. Then salary outstanding 8,300 and 6,000 rent outstanding. Bills payable और उसके ऊपर क्रेडिटर्स. सो बिल्स पेएबल 26,500 एंड क्रेडिटर्स 76,000. बेटा क्रेडिटर्स लिखा ना आपने. क्रेडिटर्स 76,000. यस. सो टू इफेक्ट्स ओवर. सो टिल नाउ एनी कंफ्यूजन. लाइबिलिटी साइड पे लिख दिया. एनी कंफ्यूजन टिल नाउ? यस. एनी कंफ्यूजन टिल नाउ? चलो जल्दी से बताओ. कुछ कंफ्यूजन होगा तो जल्दी से बताओ. टिल नाउ एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर. अच्छा, हाँ 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 हाँ, डेटर्स का प्रोविजन है नहीं क्या? सॉरी, डेटर्स को इनर कॉलम में लिखना पड़ेगा. यस, डेटर्स इनर कॉलम लेस आरडीडी. हाँ, वेरी गुड ऑब्जर्वेशन बेटा. पार्थ सारथी जी, good observation. Debtors RDD we have to provide. So 65,000 inner column. Debtor, please write it in inner column. Okay. Very simple. Chalo. Now cash sales. Cash sales, cash account debit side. Two sales. 5,09,800. And second effect, sales credit side. Buy sales, cash, credit, cash credit, 5,09,800. Debtors बाय कैश क्रेडिट में, डेटर्स क्रेडिट के बाय कैश 151,900 एंड कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू डेटर्स. ऑलवेज फर्स्ट डेबिट देन क्रेडिट. मैं थोड़ा गलत कर दिया. 151,900. कैश टू बिल्स रिसीवेबल. कैश टू बिल्स रिसीवेबल 65,000 एंड बिल्स रिसीवेबल के क्रेडिट में बाय कैश 65,000. क्रेडिटर्स टू कैश was to cash 3,06,000 or to bank, and here by creditors 3,06,000. बिल्स पेबल. चलो एक काम करते हैं अभी. नाउ आई विल गिव दिस इफेक्ट्स इन फर्स्ट कैश अकाउंट एंड देन सेकंड इफेक्ट. सो बाय बिल्स पेबल in cash account beta, first I will give you first effect by bills payable 80,000. Then I have salary 99,000. Then 72,000 by rent. By rent 72,000. By insurance 10,000. By stationery 1,500. By mobile phone expenses 9,000. And by drawings 1,20,000. करेक्ट है. सेकंड इफेक्ट क्रेडिटर्स का हो गया. बिल्स पेबल सेकंड लाइन टू बैंक 80,000. सैलरी to bank 99,000. Rent to bank 72,000. रेंट टू बैंक 72,000. फोकस 100% होना चाहिए. इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम इंश्योरेंस अकाउंट टू बैंक 10,000. स्टेशनरी टू बैंक 1,500. मोबाईल फोन एक्सपेन्सेस बेटा P&L च्या डेबिटला टू मोबाईल फोन एक्सपेन्स P&L डेबिट टू मोबाईल फोन एक्सपेन्स 9,000. and drawings plus oblique minus profit oblique loss less drawings 1,20,000. ठीक है. फर्नीचर डेप्रिसिएशन 5%, मोबाइल फोन 10%, सॉरी मोबाइल फोन 25% and computer 10%. Chalo. Now one by one account we are going to close. See now, yes, depreciation we can calculate, na? We will calculate it at the end. Depreciation after posting all this salary account, we will calculate depreciations at the end. Now you have to tell me one by one. Salary account. Now see salary account pro forma by payable to bank. So not we have not recorded still P&L. So you know this pro forma expenses to prepaid by payable to bank and by P&L. So pro formas are very important for solving these questions. So identify missing figure. Identify what is important in this chapter. सबसे important क्या होता है ये चैप्टर में, मिसिंग फिगर को क्या कहलाना है, मिसिंग फिगर को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, ये चैप्टर में सबसे जरूरी है. सो यस, सैलरी कितना है देखो, 99 प्लस 8.3 1,07,300 minus 8 99,300. सो सैलरी अकाउंट के डेबिट में P&L के डेबिट में यू कैन राइट डाउन टू सैलरी 99,300 टू सैलरी 99,300. नेक्स्ट अकाउंट रेंट. Now you only tell me what is a balancing figure is called as. चलो बताइए जल्दी से, बैलेंसिंग फिगर को क्या बोलेंगे. हाँ जी, बोलेंगे क्या ये बताइए. नो बेटा मोहम्मद, डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट ओपन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. बोलेंगे क्या ये मुझे इंपॉर्टेंट है. बाय P&L 72 plus 6, so this is 78,000. This is also 78,000. 72,000. So क्या बोलेंगे इसको, P&L. Very good. So P&L to rent 72,000. P&L के डेबिट में to rent 72,000. Next. बेटा बिल्स पेएबल को क्या बोलेंगे. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज बिल्स पेएबल. यस, सो बेटा Pro formas are very important. So at the end, I'm going to give you pro formas. Bills payable. What you are going to write for bills payable? हर्षित पी एंड एल कैसे आएगा? अरुण शिंदे जी, बिल्स पेएबल कभी पी एंड एल होता है क्या? बिल्स पेएबल कौन देता है? बिल्स पेएबल क्रेडिट प्लस डेबिट माइनस. When it is increasing, beta, bills payable when creditors accepts bill. So by creditors acceptance. Okay. So by creditors, bill accepted by them and give star mark. Beta, star mark for balancing figure. $84,000. 84,000. Bills payable 84,000 and creditors के डेबिट में 2 bills payable 84,000. Credit plus debit minus. Now why? You have to think why creditors are increasing. Chalo. Creditors. Don't tell me balancing figure. I want particulars. No beta, not cash. Alok Shivlani, cash नहीं था, by creditors था. So ठीक है, मिस्टेक्स कीजिए. No, don't worry, मिस्टेक्स कीजिए. So फोर्थ का बैलेंसिंग फिगर नैनेश ने बताया. Yes, by. Very good. It is by purchases. नैनेश ने आंसर दिया by purchases. $306 plus 84 plus 76. $4,13,500. 4,13,500. Two purchases. Trading account debit side 4,13,500. 4,13,500. Creditors over debtors. But before debtors, beta, first close bills receivable account. Okay. First close bills receivable account. Debit plus and credit minus. Now, what is the balancing figure for bills receivable? Think. What is the balancing figure? I don't want amount. I want particulars. कोई बात नहीं बेटा. हर्षित. Two debtors. So first, beta, this is bill drawn. This is bills drawn. 85,000. Debtors 70,000. And by bills receivable in debtors 70,000. And then you can write two sales bracket में credit. What is the total? Debtors 2,86,900. अब्दुल गलती किया तुमने. 231,900. So first close bills receivable and then debtors. 231,900. $741,700. Insurance, P&L के डेबिट में 2 इंश्योरेंस, 9,900. Cash, 7,27,000. 80,000, 99,000, 72,000 plus 10,000 minus plus 1,500. I think cash account is getting tallied, beta. Yes. 7,27,000. Cash account tally हो रहा है. At 7,27,000, cash account is getting tallied. Cash and bank account is getting tallied. 7,27,000. Correct है बेटा? 7,27,000 tallied. Now, stationery account by P&L in bracket consumed. In bracket consumed. $1,450. So to stationery consume. This is called as beta not purchases. This is called as consumed. So stationery consumed 1,450. Now depreciation. पहले RDD लिखते हैं to reserve for doubtful debts and then to depreciation. Inner column furniture, building, this is 5%. Three to 50. Then better depreciation calculate 96,000 into 5%, 4,800, 91,200, 2,430, 21,870, 25%, 2,000, 6,000. So here 4,800 building ka furniture, building 2,430 and computer, not furniture, computer and mobile phone, sorry. Mobile phone 2,000. $9,230. Now calculate beta GP. By GP brought down. $837,100. $334,100 GP. GP brought down 334,100. Yes. What is net profit? चलो net profit बताओ मुझे. $334,100. minus 9,000, minus 99,300, minus 72,000, minus 9,900, minus 1,450, minus 3,250, minus 9,230. I'm getting 129,970, 129,970 plus 197,430 minus 1,20,000, 2,07,400 plus 76,000 plus 26,500 plus 8,300 plus 6,000 324,200 and let's see asset side 91.2 plus 21.87 plus 6 plus 95.4 plus Bs plus 2.5 plus 0.25 plus 18 plus 7.23 plus 61.75. Yes! 324,200. My balance sheet is getting tallied at 324,200. बेटा दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हर्षित इन दिस बैच, तो थोड़ा सा मुझे इजी लेना पड़ेगा ना बेटा. सो व्हाट आर इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स? अच्छा ठीक है. इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स, फर्स्ट क्लोज, बिल्स रिसीवेबल, बैलफिग, डेटर्स and bills payable, balancing figure, creditors, and then debtors and creditors. Debtors की बैलफिग, सेल्स, and creditors की बैलफिग, परचेस, सिंपल. बड़ा दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, तो थोड़ा तो डिफिकल्ट होगा ना, इजी होगा ना. एंड 2013 में ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आते थे. नाउ आई सी है बेटा लेवल चेंज. कविता का कुछ तो अलग ही चलता रहता है बेटा. कविता कभी भी आपका कुछ अलग ही पूछते रहते हो आप, बैच अलग जगह पे. महिमा मौर्य जी, दिस इज अ वे ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन. सो दिस इज अ बेटर वे कि आप लोग सभी अकाउंट्स ओपन कीजिए. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट यू हैव टू ओपन मैंडेटरीली ऑल अकाउंट्स, बट इफ यू ओपन these accounts properly, even you are not getting tallied figure, you will get one mark for your working notes. Okay, so minimum not 1 mark exactly, but half mark, 1 mark ICI will give you. हर्षित बोल रहा है यस बेटा, 2013 में सीए जो होते थे उनका चांदी था तब. यस, नाउ क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी डिफिकल्ट. चलो, विल टेक अ ब्रेक ऑफ 10 मिनट्स और ब्रेक के बाद वापस हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे न्यू क्वेश्चन 2014 का. ओके, सो मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन आई विल ट्राई टू टेक इट इन द क्लास, all questions of past examination, but beta you have to keep some patience. It's not possible कि सभी क्वेश्चन हो पाएंगे, so ज्यादा से ज्यादा लेने की कोशिश करूंगा. ओके, once you understood the flow, this chapter is really very easy. Only important adjustment you have to do. चलो ठीक है, टेक अ ब्रेक. वी विल मीट एट 8:20. 8:20 को सब लोग आ जाइए. चलो, थैंक यू. May 2014 question. Again 16 marks. Ready everyone, beta? No, beta Nanish. No more time now. Following are the incomplete information of Moonlight Traders. I will give you time only at the time of closing. Closing accounts जब होगा तब मैं आपको time देता हूँ. You can do it by pencil. Land and building, plant and machinery, office equipment, debtors, creditors for office expenses, stock, long-term loan from SBI. Now this is IMP. Bank, provision for tax. Collection from debtors. Full problem beta, two effects. Payment to creditors. So collection from debtors, you can write entries. No, you do not have hard copy. Okay, no problem. Cash account debit to debtors account. Payment to creditors. Creditors account debit. Cash credit. Office expenses debit. Cash credit. Salary debit. Cash credit. Selling expense debit. Cash credit. Cash sales. Cash debit. Sales credit. Credit sales. Debtors debit. Sales credit. Credit purchase. Purchase debit. Creditors credit. And cash purchase. Purchase debit. Cash credit. GP margin 100, 25, 125. Cost plus 25%. Discount allowed. Discount debit. Debtors credit. Discount received. Creditors debit. Discount credit. Discount received is our gain. So discount को credit करेंगे, creditors को debit देंगे. And bad debts. Bad debts to debtors. Bad debts debit. Debtors credit. Depreciations are given below. On 1st October, they sold depreciation machine having costing 40,000 at a loss of 15,000 and new machine purchase on 1/1/2014. Okay. So machine account we have to open. Office equipment was sold at its book value on 1/4/2013. And loan was partly paid on 31st March. So loan account we have to open. Debtors mandatory open, creditors mandatory, office expense mandatory, long-term loan we will open, and cash and bank balance is also we are going to open it. ठीक है? चलो. Write down. Write down. Moonlight Limited. Moonlight Limited Traders, sorry. Moonlight Traders. और क्या लिख रहे हो? Trading and P&L account for the year ended 31st March 2014. What is asked? Trading and P&L and balance sheet. Particulars rupees. Particulars rupees. After 6-7 lines total. Balance sheet as on 31st March 14. Liabilities rupees. Asset rupees. Working note 1. Opening balance sheet. We do not have opening balance sheet, so we have to open opening balance sheet. Liabilities rupees. Asset rupees. Opening balance sheet we have to open. Liability rupees. Asset rupees. Ten lines. Opening balance sheet. Then working note 2. Line by line, beta. Yes, plant and machinery. Seven lines. Working note 3. Plant and machinery के बाद office equipment. After 6 lines, beta, working note 4. Debtors account. Then after 6-7 lines, working note 5. Creditors for purchases. Then after 6 lines, beta, working note 6. Creditors for office expense. And working note 7. Long-term loan. Long-term loan. And most important, 8, bank account. Receipt rupees, payment rupees. Receipt rupees, payment rupees. Chalo. Draw fast. Chalo. Ready format. Everyone is ready, beta. Format ready. Draw हो गया सबका. Beta, you have to keep patience for this chapter. Huh? This chapter very important from basics point of view. So don't skip a single question in this chapter. Chalo. Start. Land and building 5 lakhs. First effect, opening balance sheet. Land and building 5 lakhs. Second effect, closing balance sheet, no adjustments. So closing balance sheet 5 lakhs. Working note 1 and land and building 5 lakhs in closing balance sheet, less depreciation. Write down the format in closing balance sheet. क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट में प्रोफॉर्मा लिख के रखो. चलो. Second point. Plant and machinery. Now these figures are before depreciation. These figures are before depreciation. So 330 and 85, we will keep it as pending. So only opening balancing figures I am going to write. So write down plant and machinery 2,20,000. Office equipment In opening balance sheet, write down 1,05,000. So you can see 1,05,000 in opening balance sheet. Debtors, just write down better debtors, don't write amount. Creditors, second effect we will give later. Creditors for purchases, creditors for office expenses. $90 by $20. Stock, long-term loan, long-term loan, 1,25,000. Bank, bank, 25,000. Provision for tax, 35,000. बेटा इनकम टैक्स अकाउंट ओपन किया क्या? सॉरी, एक अकाउंट रह गया. वर्किंग नोट 8 नहीं 9, इनकम टैक्स अकाउंट, इनकम टैक्स अकाउंट. So income tax account working note 9 open. Now second effect, land and building over, plant and machinery. Account में to balance brought down. To balance brought down. Yes, beta, how much? 2,20,000. Office expenses, to balance brought down. Office equipment, sorry, 1,05,000. Debtors, to balance brought down, not known, but beta by balance carried down, you can write. By balance carried down, 2,25,000. Next, creditors, by balance brought down 95,000 and to balance carried down not known. Creditors for office expenses, by balance brought down 20 and to balance carried down 15. To balance carried down 15. Then you have stock. Beta stock, trading account debit side, to opening stock, by closing stock. To opening stock not known, but by closing stock 65,000. Long-term loan, Buy balance brought down 1,25,000. To balance carried down 1 lakh. ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट में लिखा ना, हाँ. क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट वी विल फिल अप लेटर. बैंक to balance brought down 25,000 and buy balance carried down not known. Provision buy payable to payable और बाय प्रोविजन टू प्रोविजन भी लिख सकते हो. 35,000 30,000. Now बेटा सेकंड इफेक्ट ऑफ क्लोजिंग balances. Closing balances, second effect. Plant and machinery not known. Then beta office equipment not known. Debtors inner column 2,25,000. RDD. Then creditors for purchases or expenses. $15,000 for expenses. Purchases not known. Stock. Beta stock is 65,000. Stock, closing stock 65,000. Long-term loan from SBI 1 lakh. 1 lakh. And provision for tax 30,000. Over. So see, we have given second effect. Trading account में to opening stock and buy closing stock. You can check your workings. To opening stock and buy closing stock in trading account. In balance sheet we have closing balance sheet में check कर लो एक बार. Assets, land and building less depreciation, plant and equipment, office equipment, debtors, RDD, less RDD and then stock. Liability side long-term loan from SBI, creditors for purchase, for expense and provision for tax. कुछ बचा है तो लिख लो जल्दी जल्दी. Or you need 100% focus while solving these questions. 100% focus चाहिए. और ये टॉपिक उन्हीं को आएगा जिनका फोकस 100% है. Balance sheet, opening balance sheet, you can check land and building 5 lakhs, plant and machinery 2,20,000, office equipment 1,05,000, debtors not known, stock not known, bank 25,000. Liability side, long-term loan 1,25,000, creditors for purchases 95,000, creditors for office expense 20,000 and provision for tax 35,000. Plant and machinery, to balance brought down 2,20,000. Office equipment, to balance brought down 1,05,000. I will just write buy balance carried down. Office equipment. Debtors, creditors, debtors का बेटा 20,000 and 15,000 long term loan by balance brought down, to balance carried down. Income tax, and cash in hand and bank. Over. रेडी बेटा? चलो, यस, जो बच गया वो बताइए जल्दी से. रेडी नाउ? अदर इंफॉर्मेशन? ओके, अभी तक का सब हो गया. ठीक है बेटा, वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड वर्किंग नोट फॉर दिस ना नैनेश. वर्किंग नोट बनाया तो स्पेस नहीं छोड़ने का. फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन ऑफिस इक्विपमेंट एंड प्लांट एंड मशीनरी. नाउ कलेक्शन फ्रॉम डेटर्स. कैश एंड बैंक के डेबिट में टू डेटर्स. फर्स्ट डेबिट इफेक्ट, बैंक के डेबिट में टू डेटर्स. वर्किंग नोट 8, 9,25,000. एंड सेकंड इफेक्ट, डेटर्स के क्रेडिट में सेकंड लाइन बाय बैंक 9,25,000. पेमेंट टू क्रेडिटर्स फॉर परचेस. क्रेडिटर्स टू बैंक 5,25,000. एंड बैंक के क्रेडिट में सेकंड लाइन बाय क्रेडिटर्स 5,25,000. पेमेंट टू ऑफिस एक्सपेंस बेटा, बाय ऑफिस एक्सपेंस 42,000. And creditors for office expense to cash 42,000. Salary paid P&L के डेबिट में टू सैलरी and two selling expenses. To salary and to selling expense. Salary कितना है? 32 and 15. 32,000, 15,000. By payment side, cash and bank, by salary and by selling expense 32, 15. Cash sales. So by sales, cash, credit. So cash sales 2,50,000. So total sales is 100. Out of that, credit sales is 80. 80 of total sales. तो cash 20. Correct है? So immediately effect दे दो. 2,50,000 into 80 divided by 20. This is 10 lakhs. and total will be 12,50,000. See, total sales is 100. Out of that, 80% is credit sales, so 20 is cash sales. We have figure of cash sales, so we can find out figure of credit sales. So cash sales का second effect, bank account debit side, two sales, 2,50,000, and credit sales का debit, debtors account के debit में two sales bracket में credit sales, how much? 10 lakhs. You can easily find out credit sales. Important था IMP. You can mark credit sales as IMP. Credit purchase 5,40,000. So can you tell me cash purchase की total अभी? चलो, I am not going to tell you the answer. To purchase cash, credit. Now you only tell me cash and credit. And what is given? Credit is 40% of total purchase. Credit is 5,40,000. Credit is 5,40,000. Chalo. And sentence is credit cash purchases 40% of total purchase. So can you find out the cash purchase? चलो जल्दी से बताओ. Cash purchase. Yes, how much? Credit purchase. So cash is 40% of. So this is 60. $3,60,000 plus 5,40,000, it's 9 lakhs. Correct है? So cash purchase means बैंक के क्रेडिट में बाय परचेसेस 3,60,000 एंड क्रेडिटर्स के क्रेडिट में बाय परचेस 5,40,000. कैश के क्रेडिट में बाय परचेस 360 एंड क्रेडिटर्स के क्रेडिट में बाय परचेस 540. नेक्स्ट, जीपी रेशियो. जीपी रेशियो रेड पेन बेटा 2 जीपी 100 25 125. करेक्ट है? So sales is 12,50,000. So how much is GP? So 12,50,000 means GP is 2,50,000. 4 zeros बढ़ा दो. GP is 2,50,000 and by GP brought down 2,50,000. करेक्ट है? जीपी इज रेड पेन एडजस्टमेंट. डिस्काउंट अलाउड P&L के डेबिट में नॉर्मल पेन टू डिस्काउंट अलाउड 5,500 or P&L credit by discount received 4,500. डेटर्स के क्रेडिट में बाय डिस्काउंट अलाउड 5,500. Debtors credit by discount allowed 5,500 and creditors debit discount received 4,500. Bad debts pending. नहीं तो कर दो bad debts भी चलो. Bad debts 2%. $4,500. 2,20,500 and 2 RDD 4,500. Okay. So till now no confusion. चलिए अभी लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग on 1st October 2013 they sold a machine book value 40,000. 1st October 2013 means after 6 months. $40,000 into मशीन का डिप्रिसिएशन रेट कितना है? मशीन डिप्रिसिएशन रेट इज 10%. So 40,000 into 5% for 6 months depreciation. 2,000 and then so book value is now written down value is 38,000 and selling price is equal to 38,000 minus 15,000 loss. So they sold this asset at 23,000. So what is the entry? First depreciation to machine, plant and machinery. And then cash 23,000, loss 15,000, to plant and machinery 38,000. Depreciation to plant and machinery 2,000. Okay. So to depreciation, after beta एक काम करो 3-4 lines. To depreciation, land and building, plant and machinery में बेटा 2,000 is a depreciation और add होगा उसमें. Depreciation it's a on sold asset. So we are going to add it. So plant and machinery beta account by depreciation 2,000 by cash by cash. How much beta by cash? 23,000. And by loss, 15,000. कैश के डेबिट में 2 प्लांट, कितना था 2 प्लांट? 23,000. एंड P&L के डेबिट में 2 लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ प्लांट 15,000. तो लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ प्लांट 15,000. नेक्स्ट, सी नाउ प्लांट एंड मशीनरी 3,30,000. तो 2,20,000 का 330 हुआ, करेक्ट है? अभी 330 कैसे हुआ? 2,20,000 माइनस व्हाट? 23,000 plus Balfig is equal to 3,30,000. So 330 minus 2,20,000 plus 23,000. So this is new machinery purchase. Yes बेटा, न्यू मशीनरी कितने का लिया? 1,33,000. और उन्होंने इधर बेटा 330, 180. ओके, ठीक है, चलो राइट डाउन कैलकुलेशन ऑफ, आई विल शो यू. रेड पेन, यस, लिखिए कैलकुलेशन ऑफ एडिशन इन मशीनरी. Calculation of addition in machinery. Working note 10. See, closing balance is equal to opening balance plus additions minus sold. Now closing balance is 3,30,000. Correct है? Closing balance is 3,30,000. What is opening balance? 2,20,000. Plus additions, we are not aware. Minus 40,000. So this is 1,80,000 plus additions is equal to 330. तो additions कितने के हुए? 1,50,000. Additions is equal to 1,50,000. Okay, so red pen से लिखो. So additions 1,50,000. It's very important. IMP working. Additions 1,50,000. But the most important working. No, GP is not a balancing figure. GP is not a balancing figure. सो एडिशंस कितने हुए? टू बैंक 1,50,000. So to bank 1,50,000. Working note 9. And here buy office equipment. Yes, beta, how much? 1,50,000. थोड़ा difficult है, but now it's easy. Okay, so important था plant and machinery, और by plant and machinery लिखो, not office equipment. Sorry, by plant and machinery. By plant and machinery, not office equipment. And loss on sale of plant. Okay, कैश भी हो गया, डिप्रिसिएशन भी हो गया. हाँ, now beta depreciation we will calculate. Now very important point, by depreciation अभी देखो बचा कितना, 220 में से 40 गया, 220 में से 40 गया, so 10% into 2,20,000 minus 40,000 plus 5% into 1,50,000, because you purchase this asset when you purchase on 3 months है, 3 months, sorry, 1/1/2014, 3 months का depreciation है. So 10% into 1,50,000 into 3/12, because you purchase it on January. Okay, ये कहां से कहां तक का, Jan to March, और ये full year remaining. So 2,20,000. I will draw the calculation for you, those students who are not getting it. Now there are better old machine old, 2,20,000. Additions 1,50,000. 2,20,000 में से sold 40,000, retain 1,80,000. इसके ऊपर 10% depreciation, 5% for 6 months, either for 12 months, and this is for 3 months. So 3 divided by 12 into 10. So 2.5%. 2.5% on 1,50,000, 10% for 12 months. This is most important adjustment, plant and machinery, where students are normally getting confused. तो आप लोग इसके ऊपर ध्यान देके करना, ये क्वेश्चन में ये मुश्किल है थोड़ा, मैं पहले ही बोल देता हूं ये मुश्किल है, ध्यान देके करना. इसमें बहुत सारा बेटा आपका कॉमन सेंस भी लगेगा. 40,000. नाउ दिस इज मास्टर चार्ट. 40,000 पे 5% ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइडेड, 1,80,000 into 10% memory plus, and 1,50,000 into 2.5% memory plus. So depreciation is 21,750. कितना depreciation है? 21,750. Now 21,750 we have to do. 2,000 already written. 21,750. And here we are going to add 21,750. So 23,750 is a total depreciation. Samjha? Yes. Write down. And now buy balance carried down. 3,70,000 minus 2 minus 23 minus 15 minus 21.75. So 3,08,250. 3,08,250. 3,08,250. 3,08,250. Okay. Next one. Office equipment sold at its book value on 1/4/2013. फर्स्ट डे पे ही बेच दिया. सो ऑफिस इक्विपमेंट कितना है? व्हाट इज द ऑफिस इक्विपमेंट अमाउंट? 85,000. So 1,05,000 minus 85,000, 20,000. So 20,000 you sold on very first day. So buy cash कितना? 105 minus you sold it for 85,000 इसमें से गया. So कितने का बेचा? Yes, you sold 20,000. And at what value, beta? On book value. So book value will be no depreciation. No depreciation. Why? Because you sold on first day. Sold on first day. So no depreciation, like plant and machinery. So institute ने यहाँ पे आपको बचा दिया. And no loss. Buy cash. And now buy depreciation is on 85,000. Remaining balance. So 85,000 पे कितना depreciation rate है? 15%. So depreciation is 15%. So 85,000 into 15%, 12,750. और ये कितना आएगा देखो? 1,05,000, 1,05,000 and balancing figure 72,750. थोड़ा वापस एक बार प्रैक्टिस करना. It's not very easy. 1,05,000, you sold it for 20,000. Depreciation on remaining asset 15%. So buy balance carried down 72,750. Easy है? 72,750. 72,250. Sorry. 250. 72,250. 72,250. And cash के डेबिट में to equipment 20,000. And depreciation में ऑफिस इक्विपमेंट कितना था depreciation? 12,750. And ऑफिस इक्विपमेंट 72,250. ठीक है. ओवर लोन. लोन 31 मार्च 14 को पे किया. ओके. So on the last date we paid the loan. So to cash 25,000 on the last day. So bank के credit में by loan 25,000. But wait, now interest for full year. So by interest on full 1,25,000. So बेटा interest देना पड़ेगा ना आपको. Full 1,25,000 because you paid on the last day. So last day पे payment हुआ तो interest will be on full amount 1,25,000 पे 12%. Red pen 1,25,000 into 12%. Interest is hidden 15,000. And to interest in P&L, which is accrued one, red pen. So interest accrued be same 15,000 because you paid is equal to accrued. Over all adjustments. And now land and building का सिर्फ depreciation रह गया. Land and building depreciation, I think it is 5%. लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग का कितना है? फाइव परसेंट. नॉर्मल पेन 5%. 2,25,000. 5 lakhs into 5%. So this is 4,75,000 and depreciation 25,000. So total depreciation will be total depreciation will be 25,000 plus 23,750 plus 12,750. So total depreciation 61,500. Okay. So depreciation we have written. Depreciation के बाद yes over बेटा full problem अभी कुछ भी नहीं बचा. चलो now it's closing time. Now closing time SIP to tax 30% and to net profit 70%. So this is red pen again. To tax and to net profit. To tax hidden 30%. Whatever profit before tax. Chalo. So now tell me what is opening stock? Otherwise we will plus close all these accounts line by line. Office equipment closed. To balance brought down. Chalo. To balance brought down starting में 925 plus 5.5 plus 225. I am getting 11,55,500. Minus 10 lakhs. So 155,500. 155,500. So debtors opening balance sheet में लिख दो 155,500. 155,500. Patience. 95 plus 540. 6,35,000. Creditors 1,05,000. $95, 540. $1,05,500. 1,05,500. Closing balance sheet creditors 1,05,500. By expenses 42 plus 57 हो जाएगा ये 57 minus 20. 57 minus 20 37,000. To expenses 37,000. To office expenses. Now beta you have to adjust it. To office expenses 37,000. To office expenses 37,000. चलो ऑफिस एक्सपेंस भी हो गया. लॉन्ग टर्म लोन टैली, इनकम टैक्स वेट, बैंक बैलेंस. फाइंड आउट बैंक बैलेंस. Yes, tell me the amount. 25 plus 925 plus 250 plus 23 plus 20. So 12,43,000. मुश्किल था ये क्वेश्चन. 525 minus 42 minus 32 minus 15 minus 360 minus 150 minus 25 minus 15. लेंदी था, मुश्किल नहीं था. टैक्स बाकी है. सॉरी, फर्स्ट क्लोज टैक्स अकाउंट. टैक्स बाकी है. So you cannot close this. So please wait. By P&L. Now this is red pen. By P&L red pen. And to bank is a balancing figure. By P&L is red pen. So first close P&L account and then cash balance. Opening stock. Beta, for closing you need a lot of practice. 13,15,000 minus 900 minus 250. So I'm getting opening stock. Opening stock 1,65,000. 1,65,000 opening stock. Opening balance sheet 1,65,000. Opening balance sheet 1,65,000 in front of stock. Now net profit beta. First calculate net profit. 250 plus 4.5. 254,500 minus 32 minus 15 minus 5.5 minus 4.5 minus 15 minus again 15, 37 minus 6.5. See, 32,000, 15,000. Discount allowed 5,500. एक बार वापस लो. 254,500 minus 32,000 minus 15,500 minus 4,500 minus 30,000, 7,000 minus 61,500. I'm getting 69,000 balancing figure. 69,000 into 30%. 20,700. And net profit is 48,300. This is most important. Tax calculation is important calculation. 69,000 is profit before tax. And you are getting the answer 254,500. So now income tax account credit side by P&L 69,000. By P&L 69,000. So this is 1,04,000 minus 30, 74,000. And now income tax to bank 74,000. Now income tax you can write over here by income tax 74,000. And now see the balancing figure. 1243 minus 525 minus 42 minus 32 minus 15 minus 360 minus 150 minus 25 minus 15 minus 74. Yes, tell me balancing figure. ये इनकम टैक्स कितना आया? बाय पी एंड एल गलत हो गया क्या ये? एक सेकंड ना। 69,000। ओ 20,700 है। अरे मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, सॉरी, ये गलत कर दिया मैंने। इनकम टैक्स 20,700 था, मैंने गलती से 69,000 ले लिया। नहीं नहीं नहीं, 69,000 नहीं, 20,700। हाँ, नाउ आई विल गेट द करेक्ट फिगर। इनकम टैक्स 55,700 minus 30, 25,700. हाँ, now I am getting good proper figure. 25,700. हम्म, अभी लो कैलसी पे। 1243 minus 525 minus 42 minus 32 minus 15 minus 360 minus 150 minus 25 minus 15 minus 25.7। सॉरी, मैंने इनकम टैक्स का फिगर गलत लिख दिया था। 53,300। 53,300 is a closing balance. And now in bank balance sheet, bank account, closing balance sheet 53,300. Now close opening balance sheet, last account, capital account, last है. Now patience. 500 plus 220 plus 105 plus 155.5 plus 165 plus 25, 11,70,500 minus 125 minus 95 minus 20 minus 35. 895,500. 895,500. Capital account 895,500. That's why students are finding this paper difficult. Opening balance 895,500. Add profit. Profit कितना ऐड किया? Net profit 48,300. 943,800. Now you can tally. 11 lakh 94,300. Yes, 11,94,300. And now beta, after writing all these answers, yes, पहले check कर लो आप लोग. You can take screenshot if you want. चलो check कर लो बाद में. You can take screenshots. चलो ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट तक का है ये. मुश्किल था ना? यस बेटा, डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन. पेशेंस बोला था मैंने पहले ही. Please solve these questions. But it's not possible that I will take all questions. I will try my best to take all questions. पर ये क्वेश्चन आईएमपी मार्क करके रखना. लेंदी था, बहुत लेंदी. जिनके पास पेशेंस है वही सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट, plant and machinery account. Then you have office equipment and debtors account. Office equipment debtors account. Then you have creditors for purchases and creditors for office expense account. Then long-term loan, income tax account, and then cash and bank account. What are important points in this? Beta red pen. Plant and machinery, IMP points you can note down. Important points, plant and machinery. Second one, office equipment is also important. Loan plus hidden interest. And fourth one, income tax. These are important points. Plant and equipment machinery ka additions. Additions, calculation of additions. Calculation of additions is very, very important. चलो ठीक है, I know today's session थोड़ा सा difficult था, but option नहीं है. This is a CA course ultimately. So if you are finding this difficult, beta, please watch this session once again. You have sufficient time. Please watch my videos of incomplete records also, beta. ये बड़ा topic है. Next session we are going to start with some different questions. जितना हो सकता है I will try my best to take maximum questions, but I don't think कि मैं अपना बहुत सारा questions है, तो इतने सारे questions हो नहीं पाएंगे. So maximum हम लोग try करेंगे cover करने का next session में. Thank you. We have 2 sessions for this incomplete records. तो भी आप इसकी practice करो. ये practice करना बहुत जरूरी है. Time लगा के. So today टिक-टिकी जी टेक्निक नहीं लगाया था. 30 minutes you have in exam. कितना टाइम है? 30 minutes. चलो, थैंक यू, बाय बाय, गुड डे.